Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to BSS Online Education. Today we'll discuss from Mental Maths class 5, exercise 11 and exercise 2. So exercise 11, write the prime factors of the following. So prime factors, prime numbers. What are the prime factors? Prime factors are the factors that are prime numbers. So what is prime number? Prime numbers are the numbers that are not divisible by any number except 1 and 2. So some examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 23. These are prime numbers. So first you have to find the prime factors of 10. So the prime factors of 10, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10, and from these factors the 2 and 5 are the prime numbers. So the prime factors are 2 and 5. For 16 there are some factors like 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and only 2 among these numbers, only 2 is a prime number, so the prime factor for 16 is 2. For 24 the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24, and you can see that the prime factors are 2 and 3. 27, for 27 the factors are 1, 3, 9 and 27, and among these numbers 3 is the only prime number, so prime factor is 3. For 36 the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36, and among these numbers only 2 and 3 are the prime numbers, so prime factors are 2 and 3. So what you have to do, first you have to find the factors of these numbers, and then you have to see among these factors which numbers are prime numbers, and that numbers will be the prime factors. Similarly, for 54 2 and 3 is the prime factor. For 60 the prime factors are 2, 3 and 5. For 48 the prime factor, find all the factors of 48, then you will see that which numbers are prime numbers, that numbers are the prime factors. For 55 5 and 11 are the prime factors. Same thing for exercise 12, these are the same thing, write the prime factors of each of the following. So 8, for 8 the factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 2 is the only prime factor. For 14 the factors are 1, 2, 7 and 14, and here 2 and 7 is the prime factors. 18, so if we find all the factors of 18, we'll see that among the factors 3 and 2 are the prime factors. 33 3 11s are 33, and 3 and 11 both are prime numbers, so 3 and 11 are the prime factors. For 70 the factors are 1, 2, 7, 14, 35, 70, and from these factors 2, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers, so these are the prime factors. For 22 the prime factors are 2 and 11, and also for 88 the prime factors are 2 and 11. For 55 5 11 is 55, so 5 and 11 are the prime factors. For 65 5 13 is 65, and so factors are 1, 5, 13 and 65, and 3, 5 and 13 are the prime factors. For 99 the prime factors are 3 and 11. So what you have to do, you have to find the prime factors, first you have to find the factors of these numbers, and then you have to identify the numbers among the prime factors, which number is the prime number, and that numbers are called the prime factors of this number. So first find the factors, and from the factors find the prime numbers, and that will be the prime factors of these numbers. Hope you understand. Thank you very much.